How does Dolly 3 work 2025? In this video, we're going to be talking about Dolly 3 and how it works in 2025. Now, if you are an old Dolly user, you're probably wondering why can't you access Dolly from their main website because that's where it always used to work for. Now, the reason you can't access it is because Dolly has converted itself to ChatGPT and it can only be used through ChatGPT's Plus plan. Okay, so once you get the Plus plan for yourself, to make it work, all you're going to do is you're going to come here to go on View Tools. You're going to click on Picture. You're going to add in any prompt for yourself. And this is how it's going to be acting right here. So I wrote picture. I asked it to generate something. And look at that. It generated a prompt for me. So this is the workings of Dolly inside of ChatGPT. So that is basically how you're going to make Dolly 3 work in 2025. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.